Hi, in this video demonstration I'm going to show you how to make a dubbing video using BCut. To create a dubbed video using this tool, simply open the program and choose the resolution that you prefer. Next is to upload the video that you're going to process by hitting the import button and then click import file. Look for the video and open it. After that, move the video file into the timeline to start the editing. To dub the video, simply click the file and then click the speech-to-text function along editing functions located along the timeline. The process will then start instantly. Once done, you'll notice the addition of texts along the text layer.
Spider-Man saves the day again.
Spider-Man. This guy
To save the
in.
changes made, you can hit the export button located beside the speech-to-text function. Another window will appear. From here you can select the video format that you want, along with the quality and title. To finalize the process, click Export.
Fine.
Breaking news, Spider-Man saves the day again.
Spider-Man. This guy swings in once a day. Zip,
And
zap,
that's
zop,
how you
dance.
can make a dubbing video using BCut. Thank you for watching.